In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose model in Perplexity AI. Picking the right model can shape the clarity, speed, and depth of your results, so I'll guide you through a clean, straightforward flow and share a few tips to help you feel confident about your choice. Start by opening your Perplexity account. Use the web or the official app, whatever you normally use, and head to your account the usual way. Once you're in, you'll be on the main interface where your chats and tools live. Now, look to the left side of the screen. That's where the main navigation sits. This left-hand panel is important because it holds the entry point for browsing the models you can use. Keeping your attention there will save time and keep things organized. Next, click Explore AI Models. This opens a catalog of the available options. Think of it as a curated lineup. Each model is designed with different strengths, and this page brings them together in one clear view. You'll see the model names and, in many cases, short descriptions or tags that hint at what each model does best. From here, feel free to select one. Match your choice to your goal. If you value faster, lighter responses, lean toward a model known for speed. If you're working through complex reasoning, research-style questions, or longer, structured outputs, a model that emphasizes depth and accuracy is a better fit. For brainstorming and creative drafting, pick something described as more creative or expressive. If you plan to work with longer documents, look for models that highlight larger context handling. The key idea is to align the model's strengths with the task at hand so you get more reliable results with less back and forth. When you're ready, click the model you want. That click sets it as your active choice and takes you back into the chat experience with that model ready to respond. You'll typically see the model's name indicated near the chat area so you know exactly what's selected before you start typing. If the tone or depth of answers isn't what you expected, just return to Explore AI Models and pick a different one. It's perfectly normal to switch as your needs change. For consistent results on a single project, consider staying with the same model throughout that workstream. That's all there is to it. Open your Perplexity account, focus on the left panel, click Explore AI Models, choose the one that fits your needs, and click it to activate. With this simple routine, you'll spend less time guessing and more time getting great answers.